Hi, in this video we will see how to patch the value from one text box to another text box. So here we have two text boxes. The first one is associated with the variable A of supplier city, and the second one is associated with the variable VR city. For our understanding, I am calling this one as supplier city and this one as my city. Okay. So now what we want is whatever we type in supplier city. For example, if I type Bengaluru, this value should get patched to my city. Okay. So for this, we will write the code in my city. Go ahead and click on set condition, full screen. So when we write code in my city, the first thing is we need to check if there is a value in supplier city. So we will drag an if block and we will take this value. When we paste it here, right, this term by itself means if there is a value in the text box or any form element associated with this variable, then what should happen, which is exactly what we want. We don't want the patching to happen if there is nothing being typed in there, right? If the value exists, then we want the patching to happen. So we will find the patch snippet here, drag it, put it here. All right. Now what do we want? We want the value from this to be available in this. So this is, I'm just going to drag both of these variables here. Make a small note so that it is easy. This one is our input. And this is where the output should show up. Okay. So when we want the output, right, where the output should show up, that we will call as the key. So this variable we will take, and remember here we don't take the value part, we will take just the name of the variable here, put it here, and here we will take the entire thing. I'll explain this in just a second. There we go. So what does this statement mean? It means if there is a value in AM supplier string, that is our first text box, then that value must be patched into the variable VR city string. Okay. So now let's take a look if this is working. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on preview. If I type B, B comes here. So what is the other thing we understand? Every time we are typing something, the patching happens. All right. Hope this helps. Thank you.